Hello viewers, you are welcome to the mechanics part of the NECO 2025 Physics Practical. So here is the setup. So we'll be provided with a mass of 100 gram and knife edge and another mass to be labeled N, and we have a meter rule. Then we have a thread to be used to suspend this mass. So all you need to do in this practical is to vary the mass at a particular distance and balance the two forces. Are we together? So let's get into it practical wise. So here is our masses, and we use thread to attach thread to this in order for it to be suspended. And this one is labeled M. Both are 100 mass, 100 gram of mass, and here is our knife edge or a pivot, and this is the meter rule. So we are going to make use of this past question to see possibly something like this will come. So looking at it, the first one says you are provided with a uniform meter rule, a knife edge, some masses, and other necessary materials. Determine and record the center of gravity of the meter rule. So the first thing we should do is to determine and record the center of gravity of the meter rule. How do we do that? Is to pivot this meter rule and balance it at a point until it remains stable horizontally. So at the point at which it remains stable horizontally is the center of gravity. So you see, so again, it's not balanced. So your center of gravity is the point at which the meter rule balance horizontally. And what is the point here? What is the value here? This is at exactly 50 centimeter. If you look at it critically, no, it's not. It's around 49.8. 49.8 centimeter. Remember, we are reading from this one. Remember, we are reading from here, going like this. So from 0 down to this side. So we record our center of gravity to be 49.8. Center of gravity G is 49.8 centimeter. So that is that. The next thing is fix the 100 gram mass mark N at a point Y. So at a point Y, the 80 centimeter mark. So we're going to fix this mark N, this mass that was marked N at 80 centimeter, and use our adhesive tape to hold it. Right? So this is what we're going to do. So from here, if you are counting from here, here is 80, here is 80, here is 80. We can just put it gently. Make sure it's at the center. So here is 80. Here is 80. Then use your adhesive tape to fix it. So that is one. So the next thing, suspend another 50 gram of mass, mark M at X, a distance A, which is 10 centimeter from the 0 centimeter mark of the rule. So now we're going to suspend another mass. So your own might be maybe 10 gram or 100 gram or 50 gram, as the case may be. But here, what I have here is 100 gram also to be suspended at 10 centimeter mark. So look at it critically. So at 10 centimeter mark, meaning from here, this is 0, this is 5, shift it to 10. 10 centimeter mark. 10 centimeter mark. So here's 10 centimeter mark. So you now put it on the pivot and balance. As you can see, if I leave my hand, it is going toward this direction. So meaning I have to shift it to this gently. It is still going toward that direction, meaning this weight is still bigger. So now it's going to this direction. So gently lift it. It's still going, but not that much, meaning you have to lift it small short. It's still going here, but not much. We can even leave it here, but let's do justice to it. Now it is balanced, right? It is balanced. So one of your precautions is to ensure you do not allow interference of air, right? So what is the value? What is the value here? If we look at it critically, it balanced at 46.5, 46 point, it's not up to 47, 46.9, 46.9. So our first balance point at M, 10 gram, the balance point is 47.9 centimeter. 47.9 centimeter. Good. Now, what is the next? So the next thing is to balance the arrangement horizontally on the knife edge. Then measure and record the distance B of knife edge from the 0 centimeter of the meter. Repeat the procedure for 4 other values of A, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter, and 30 centimeter. So we're going to have for 15 centimeter, 15, for 20, 25, and 30. So are we together? So let's continue. This time around, we are going to shift our suspended mass to point what? Point 15 centimeter. Here is 15 centimeter. Make sure it's at that line. Yes, here is 15 centimeter. Put it well for it to balance. So here is 15 centimeter. Can you see? So come back to your knife edge again. Remember, this remain permanent. So again, you balance. Has it balanced? Yes, it has balanced. So this time around, what is the value? Here is 48.4. It's not up to 48.5. So 48.4. So at 15 centimeter, I have 48.4. Let's say for 8.40 centimeter. Right? Here is 47.90. Here is 48.40. So that is for that one. The next is what? 20. So what we need to do is to shift it to 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. It's as simple as this. 20 centimeter. Here is 20 centimeter. Right? Again, put it here and balance. Can you see? It's balanced at what? At around 49.8, which is equivalent to the center of gravity. You know why? Because this fixed mass is 20 centimeter to the right, and here the suspended mass is also 20 centimeter away from the starting point of the meter rule. So it is balanced. So that is why it's balanced at the center of gravity of the meter rule. Good. So that is 49.80. 49.80. The next is 25 centimeter. So again, shift it to 25 centimeter. Shift it to 25 centimeter, which is here. where is it? 25 centimeter. Again, you balance. Has it balanced horizontally? Good and fine. So here is a 51.5. 51.5. So at 25 centimeter, we have balance point to be 51.50 centimeter. Let's take the last reading, which is at 30 centimeter. We shift it to 30. We shift it to 30 here and balance. It's not balanced. Has it balanced? Yes. No. It has not. Shift it to this side. Is too much. Again, is going to this side. Shift to this again. Is going to this right. Gently. It's too much. Just small. It's too much. It's too much. So, that's balance. No. Okay. Just small to your right. So it has balance, which is at 53 centimeter. It has balance at 53 centimeter. And here is our table of value. So you might be asked to plot a graph of B against A. That is B on the vertical axis and A on the horizontal axis. And in the theory, you might be asked to define the moment and small calculation on a moment of force or equilibrium of forces. So thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel, share and comment in order for me to have some visibility. Thank you. God bless you.